Hey everybody, Rabu Gary here. Hey, I'd like to welcome you to a real quick short video, a summary video to tell you why exactly you landed on this page. You probably landed on this page because I've invited you or you saw Rabu's friends and for some other reason you ended up on our page to learn about investing or investing your money to increase it 10 to 50% a day, which is amazing. Or someone invited you to this page so you can look at this and you can get back to them. Okay, so you can get back to them. So again, there are two ways you got here. Either you found my site through advertisement, social media, blah, blah, blah. I told you directly to go to this site, or someone that you know that you love, trust, and respect just told you to come check this out for a moment so you can get some information. But nonetheless, you're here because of an incredible investment opportunity that's been around for over 2.5 years. Just a real quick backstory. I'm in marketing, I'm in sales, I'm a network marketer. I help people, I own a marketing company, that's what I do. But I have a silent partner, and my silent partner is totally different. Introvert, doesn't like sales, doesn't like marketing, doesn't like recruiting, none of the above. He's an investor. And periodically, he'll introduce me to some investment opportunities, some which we made money in, some which we didn't make money in. But this is one that he was involved in for 2 years now. And I've just been busy doing my marketing things, so on and so forth. And actually, he's been making money along the way, but he kind of put it down and didn't pay attention to it. And he got back into his account. And that's happened to many of us. You've opened an account somewhere and, you know, blah, 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 maybe didn't pay attention to it. Well, he got back into his account and found out that he was earning money and interest almost on a daily basis for a while now. So he took the time to work with his account more direct and made a ton of money in about a week's time. And he reached out to me. And for those who know me, I do not refer people to anything that I haven't tried first, or someone who's very, very close to me. And I've done my due diligence. I've looked at their information. You know, other than that, I don't refer people to anything that I haven't tried first. And so with that, I tried this program, made a boatload of money in a very short period of time. Within 3 days, I was in profit mode. Within 3 days, I was playing with house money, okay? Just to make this very clear, this is not sales. It's not network marketing. It's not recruiting. It's not direct sales. You don't have to talk to anybody, okay? You don't have to refer a friend. None of the above. This is something where you can passively make some income on your own. You can start as low as $10, okay, and make up to 50% of your money a day, okay? You can start as, I think, as high as $400. You just get in where you fit in. It doesn't matter, just not lower than 10, and you'll be directed to the site. And so on this page, you'll see, and I'm going to try to remember in order. On this page, obviously, you see the summary video. Number 2, if you don't have a Coinbase account or some type of crypto wallet, you're going to need a crypto wallet. We're not invested in cryptocurrency or anything like that. However, we use Bitcoin. You have to use Bitcoin as a funding source. That's it. We're not investing Bitcoin. We're not trading Bitcoin. So if I want to invest $400 into this program, I have to first buy $400 worth of Bitcoin, invest it into the program. When I make my money, they're going to pay me back in Bitcoin. I take it out of my account. That's it. Let me make this very clear. I transfer money from my bank account or my credit card or my PayPal account into a Coinbase account, and it turns it into Bitcoin. I buy some Bitcoin. I then take that Bitcoin. It goes into this investment program. I make my money. They give it back to me in Bitcoin. I put it back in my bank account. I know that may sound complicated. You can do all of that within 15 minutes. That's how simple it is, okay? And so I just wanted to give you an example. Now, lastly, some of you may not have a Coinbase wallet or any type of wallet for that matter. We put an example video. So the first video is this summary video that I'm talking to you guys about, okay? Next, you can go set up a Coinbase account if you don't have one. It's real simple. It's a video there showing you how to do it. You do it in 5 minutes, get it set up, okay, if you don't already have one. Next is step-by-step how to start the investment process. And you're going to see step-by-step how to start the investment process and how you make money immediately, okay? And then lastly, there's a calculation button here. You can calculate whether, you know, you want to play with numbers, say, hey, if I invest this at this percentage, you'll see what you'll make monthly. It's real simple. This is an incredible, incredible passive opportunity. I've made a ton of money with this program in a very short period of time. However, my silent business partner has made money with this program over 2 years solid. Lastly, it's an international program. So no matter what country you live in, whether you're in the United States or whether you're in Thailand, it doesn't matter. okay? And that's why they use Bitcoin, so they don't have to use the different fiat currencies. Got it? So they use Bitcoin to make it simple for everybody because every part of the world uses Bitcoin, all right? And so this is a simple program. It's very easy. There's a guarantee, a 30-day guarantee, not from me, but from the company, not from Rob Bulgari, but from the company, 30-day money back guarantee on an investment. I've never seen that before. Lastly, I'm going to say this. This is not a United States-based company. And so you want to get out of the thinking of how you do things based on policies and procedures in the United States. It's not that type of ball game. If you get stuck there based on what you know, based on the United States, okay, based on what you may have Googled, based on what you think, this ain't going to work for you. I'm letting you know right now. Okay, I've traveled internationally all around the world, okay, from Dubai to China to Thailand, the Philippines, the Caribbean, you name it, Canada. I've been there. South America, I've been there. Things were totally different than they do here in the United States, especially when you're talking about cryptocurrency and investing. So again, if you can't move past what you've already learned or what you think you've heard or what someone's told you, and I'm being direct with you, you're not going to get this because you'll be saying, well, how could they do this? How could they do that? Unless you're in these countries, okay, you're not going to know how, but there's gazillions of dollars to be made here. All right, and that's very, very clear. And once you sign up, it's free to sign up. So you can sign up, read through everything. If you're not interested, that's fine. But 100% of people who enroll in this program, 100% of the people who enroll in this program make an investment on their money over the last 2.5 years, okay, period. So I just want to share this with you guys. Again, here's the steps. Lastly, if you don't have a Coinbase wallet, there's a video here that I grabbed from YouTube. I put it on here, simple video. Get your Coinbase wallet. You can click a button here and go ahead and enroll and get your Coinbase wallet. As soon as you're done, it's real simple. Then watch the step-by-step process of how you start to invest, okay? And then under that, there's a button that you can click to go ahead and start investing. Or if someone else sent you to this website, reach out to them and get their referral link. If someone else told you verbally or sent you an email or inbox or text message or DM and say, hey, go to this website and check this out, then reach out to them and get your referral link. Or they're probably going to send you their referral link also. They'll probably say, hey, go to this website and then click my referral link, okay? But if they didn't see you here, then you can feel free to click the referral link. Click the button there. Go ahead and start the process. And then if you want to see some examples, again, on how this is done, there are pictures there, but there's a calculator, an investment calculator, or interest calculator that you can click on and you can play with some numbers there, all right? And so look forward to you making a ton of money. Again, this is not sales. It's not marketing. It's not ask somebody to support you. It's not, hey, one of those boards, those susu boards or any of that stuff. It's not that type of party. It's an amazing platform. Look forward to you making a ton of money passively for you and your family while you can continue to do all the other things that you're doing, because extra sources of income is a big deal. God bless you. Look forward to you having a lot of success. Bye for now.